Chef Rahim. I'm 11 years old. Today I'm going to make Middle Eastern mint lemonade. This summer, it's been so hot, so this is a great drink to help you cool off. First ingredient in Middle Eastern mint lemonade is mint. My dad grows fresh mint, so I'm going to cut 1 cup of mint. For this recipe, you need mint, sugar, lemons, and water. Our first step is to take the mint leaves off the stem. First step is to squeeze out my lemons. To get more juice, first you want to roll your lemons. After you're done rolling your lemons, you're going to put them in the microwave for 20 seconds. Now you have to cut your lemons into fourths. Now that my lemons are cut, I'm going to start juicing my lemons. The lemons have been juiced, so now I'm going to add the rest of my mint, add in my sugar, and add in my water. Everything's in, we're going to start blending it thoroughly. Now that everything's blended, it's ready to serve. I'm going to put some cubes of ice, and I'm ready to pour. You can always add more sugar or more water to adjust the flavor. Hi, I'm Chef Rahim. I'm 11 years old. If I can make mint lemonade, so can you. Time to drink, I'm thirsty.